and welcome to the next tutorial. This topic we are going to do how to add a student to a course. In the previous tutorial we did how to add a course to a student. This is the opposite. We're adding someone, maybe they've never been registered, maybe you're giving it away for free, maybe you're giving it as a bonus, but you want to add a student to a course. So we are going to add the student to the Susan's Test course. So this basically bypasses all this. One way is you could give them a coupon code and they could register. But if you want to make it quick and easy, don't want to have to deal with all this, this would be the backdoor way. So basically, I'm going to go to the course on the main page, and on the left side, you will see students. So I'm clicking on the students, and you have all your students there. Once again, like the last course, you could hover over and see what each student has. But the student that I'm going to add has never had a course before. So at the top right, it says add. So I add, and I am actually going to use my Disney account. I have a Disney website that I do. So I'm going to use that email. So I'm going to add Susan, and then we'll put Disney Silva, just so you can see the difference. And then we're going to add the email, Susan at wish upon, there we go, Disney.com. And I'm going to add Susan's Test, which I believe is at the bottom, Susan's Test course. So we added it. Now, down here, you could have the options for a manual email that I type in. I could type in 7654B2, whatever I want, or, Grumpy as Disney, or I could have the system send an auto email. I'm going to have the system send an auto email and make it nice and simple. And then you have your welcome, and yes, I want them to get an email. So I'm going to leave that green. So basically, that is it. So, and then I go up here and I'm doing add new student. And there it goes right there. And then you could see it has the one class. Just now, no activity. But it is added. That is it. Nice and simple. And then if you want to go you want to add one more class to it, excuse me, getting tongue-tied, I could go back into it and then go here, and then I have the one course, and if I wanted to add any courses like in the previous video, I would just click away to all the courses I wanted to give this person. Anyway, super simple. That is it for this video. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I would love it if you would subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.